Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Thursday unveiled India's comprehensive MANAV Vision for Artificial Intelligence at the India AI Impact Summit 2026, outlining a human-centric framework for ethical, accountable and inclusive AI governance. Addressing delegates at the summit in the national capital, the Prime Minister said, "Today at the New Delhi AI Impact Summit, I present the MANAV Vision for AI. MANAV means human." Explaining the acronym, he said, M stands for moral and ethical system. AI should be based on ethical guidance. A stands for accountable governance, meaning transparent rule and robust oversight. N stands for national sovereignty, whose data is right. A stands for accessible and inclusive. AI should be a multiplier, not a monopoly. V stands for valid and legitimate. AI should be lawful and verifiable. PM Modi asserted that the MANAV Vision would serve as a guiding framework for the global AI ecosystem, highlighting concerns around the emerging risks. The Prime Minister stressed the need for stronger safeguards, particularly for children. Furthermore, PM Narendra Modi also said the vision reflects the changing technological landscape. Bureau Report News Now.